Got a heel lift or blisters? Heel locking with a surgeon's knot can fix that fast. Placing your boots normally at the bottom. As you reach the top of the foot, tie a surgeon's knot. Wrap the laces around each other twice before pulling tight. This holds firm without slipping. I'll lace through the ankle hooks in a crisscross or figure of 8 using the surgeon's knot. This anchors your heel in place, reducing movement and friction. Locking your heels at the top of the boot with one final surgeon's knot and a bow. Better stability, fewer blisters, heel locking keeps your feet secure on any terrain.